Hello everyone, my name is Abderrahman Elhairech and I'm from batch 1125 in web development at Wagon Casablanca. We learn a variety of useful languages and frameworks at Wagon, from Ruby and Ruby on Rails at the back end to HTML, CSS and JavaScript at the front end, not forgetting Git for version control and Figma for UI and UX design. And that's not even mentioning all of the soft skills that we get to pick up along the lines. I've always been passionate about technology, so I naturally started learning to code on my own until I found Le Wagon and got interested by their challenge-oriented approach to learning, instead of the typical theory-heavy academic learning. Working alongside like-minded people from diverse backgrounds was also a very refreshing and interesting experience. My goal after the bootcamp is to pursue a career in web development while continuing to learn how to code. Learning at Le Wagon was a very fun challenge, and I'm looking forward to the next learning challenge that I get to experience getting into the working field. My advice would be to trust the process. Le Wagon is an intensive bootcamp, so it's normal to feel overwhelmed at times, especially at the beginning. But you need to trust the process and the instructors. Also, don't hesitate to ask questions. Just keep asking questions until you find your answer.